Hello, my name is Josh Blacon, and I'm one of the project engineers here at Canfield Connector. We're in the R&D lab today, and we're going to talk about our Soft Start product. The Soft Start product provides a smooth and controlled ramp up of the output current to whatever is attached to it. For our application here, we're just going to demonstrate turning on a light bulb. So as we apply our voltage to the device, we're going to see the output voltage ramp up, as well as the brightness of this light bulb increase. The way the Soft Start works is it starts at an initial PWM value and ramps up to a final PWM value. For our application, that started at 0 PWM and ramped up to 100% PWM or full on. The ramp up time is selectable from the customer. For this application, we had it set to 5 seconds.
Soft Start or soft shift technology is used across a wide range of industries to ensure smoother, safer, and more precise motion control. For example, in forklift operation, Soft Start helps maintain smooth acceleration, preventing loads from jerking or slipping off of the pallet. In robotic arm systems, it enables precise movements, allowing for accurate placement and reducing wear on mechanical components. Conveyor systems also benefit from Soft Start technology by minimizing sudden jolts that could damage delicate cargo or cause the items to fall off of the line. And in crane operations, Soft Start is essential for maintaining controlled movement, reducing the risk of heavy loads swinging dangerously during lifting or transport. Overall, Soft Start technology improves equipment longevity, enhances safety, and ensures operational accuracy in critical motion control applications.
The inline Soft Start, or the ILSS, comes in a variety of configurations. Here we have a couple of different options. We have ones that have an input as their M12 round connector with a molded connector on the end. This variant has just flying leads with a molded connector on the end. And here we have a GT Deutsch style connector. The ILSS is an inline module that has a NEMA 6 rating to contain the electronics. Learn more about our ILSS series and other offerings at canfieldconnector.com. Feel free to contact us for any of your electronic needs.